Hello everyone, I'm Lisa and I'm a culinary arts student. I'm taking up breads, pastries, and desserts under Miss Adriana Ventura. And today I'm going to make scones. Scones are quick breads and I'm going to use the biscuit mixing method. So if you like tea or coffee, the scones are a great pair for your drink. Also, if you are hosting an afternoon tea party for your family and friends, then you must have scones on your table. Here's my mise en place and let's get started. Mix all the dry ingredients. So we have our flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, cardamom, and cinnamon. So we'll just mix this all together. Okay. And we're going to transfer this onto a board. So now we're going to cut in our fat. So we have butter here and shortening. So to cut our butter and shortening, you can either use this tool, or if you have a pastry cutter like this, you can also use this. But today I'm just going to use this one. So you're just gonna cut your butter and your shortening into the flour. So keep on doing this until you get the consistency of like oatmeal, like oats in the oatmeal. This is ready. We can add in our fruits. So I have dried fruits here. We're adding it apricots and some dried cranberries. If you want to add nuts, you can also do it at this stage. So just mix this together. Now once you have your fruits and if you have nuts mixed into your flour, we can mix all the wet ingredients together. So get a small bowl and we have our cream, egg, and vanilla, and just mix that together. So once you have all your wet ingredients mixed together, we can add it into your flour mixture. So make a well in the center like so and put a little bit of your liquid and then mix. Make a well again and add more. A little bit more. So just keep on doing this until you have all your wet ingredients incorporated into your dry ingredients. This is mixed in, and if you think your dough is a little bit sticky, you can add a little bit of flour. So I divided my dough into two, and we're going to cut this in triangles. It's like a pizza. So now we have our scones here. It's about to go to the oven, but first we're going to brush it with evaporated milk. While the scones are baking in the oven, I'm going to melt some chocolates using the double boiler. Got the scones out of the oven and they're looking really delicious right now. My kitchen smells so good, guys. I have the melted dark chocolate, some coconut flakes, and pistachio nuts chopped. So I started doing it, dip it in chocolate, put some nuts on there, some coconut flakes, and this one I just dipped the bottom of the scones into the chocolate. So let's do some more. This one, I'll just dip the bottom. These scones are really looking delicious, guys. I love dark chocolate. And this one, I'll put some pistachio nuts on it. Okay, so I'll continue doing this and just hang in there for the final presentation. So here you go. Here's our scones. If you're having a tea party or just having some, friends or family over, you can plate your scones like this. So you can have some fresh fruits there. We have our coconut scones here, the pistachio, and this is just the chocolate dip. Let's try one of these scones. I'm gonna try the ones that's dipped, chocolate dipped. This is the one that I just dipped the bottom. Let's see. So you can see the apricots there and the cranberries. Oh my gosh, these are really good. They came out really good. I can taste the apricots and the cranberries and then the chocolate at the bottom. So I made a pot of tea here. I'm going to share this with my husband, who's been very patient with me. He's not a tea drinker. He's gonna have his coffee with the scones, and that's gonna be his reward for helping me out here in the kitchen today. Thank you. Bye.